3 Mica Avenue, your Little River dream come true. Finally, there's plenty of space for the whole family and guests as well. This custom colonial style home boasts 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths on a huge lot with no HOA. As you enter the leaded glass front door, you'll immediately notice the expanse of the rooms and wide staircases. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, custom paint, built-in bookcases, extensive crown molding, and bullnose corners are just a few of the outstanding features. Three floors with balconies on each provide for sweeping rear views. The master suite sits on the living room level with dual vanities, walk-in shower, jacuzzi, and massive walk-in closet. And each bedroom is complete with its own bathroom. This home also showcases engineered hardwood and tile flooring throughout, in addition to a 2-car garage and easily accessible storage space. Located on a quiet street in the heart of Little River and close to its historic waterfront on the Atlantic Ocean, with the many restaurants, shops, fishing and boating opportunities available at any time, this home offers it all and won't last long. Call for your appointment today.